Whole eggs, 6. Beat the eggs until yolk and whites are fully combined. White sugar, 4 tablespoons. Cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon. Saffron, 1 tablespoon. All-purpose flour, 1 cup. Rice flour, 1 cup. Milk powder, 2 tablespoons. Baking powder, 1 tablespoon. Beat until all ingredients are combined well and a smooth mixture forms. Cover with cellophane paper and set aside for 10 to 20 minutes. Make khanfaroush as shown and deep fry in preheated oil. Top up with seasme seeds. Fry until golden brown and take out on kitchen towel paper.